Good morning. It's a cheer pheasant in front of us. It's there. Yeah, in very nice morning light. Beautiful male. Look at this habitat. This amazing habitat of Ranikhet. And we are here to photograph cheer and kuklas. We got them. Very good. Wow, the cheer is still there. Lovely. We are getting a very good video. It's a good male and pheasant. Kuklas also. In a while, steppe eagles will be here, and this pheasant will go inside. Let me zoom on it again, once again. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll take some photographs more, then we'll head for breakfast. It's a good day in Ranikhet, and then we will head back to Satta. Oh, dirty viewfinder. Sorry about that.